In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple photos in Google Drive, full 2025 guide. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're signed in so you can see your files. If you ever land on a different Google page, you can always use the Google Apps Launcher, the grid icon in the top corner, to open Drive and return to the home view. Inside Drive, look to the left sidebar and choose Home if you're not already there. Then head into My Drive. My Drive is where your personal files and folders live. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it and click My Drive again to ensure you're viewing your files directly rather than a recent or shared section. Now, to focus only on photos, use the filter at the top, click the type drop down, then select Photos and Images. This instantly narrows your view to just image files, making it easier to select exactly what you want without scrolling past documents or other file types. Let's start selecting. Click one photo to set your starting point. You'll see it highlight, which means it's active. With that first photo selected, hold the Shift key on your keyboard and press the right arrow. Each press extends your selection to the next photo to the right, so you can add several photos quickly without dragging your mouse. If you want to change your starting point, simply click a different photo to make it active. This resets the anchor for your selection. From there, you can hold Shift again and adjust your selection with the arrow keys to include